Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper of Tuesday, June 18th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. So two puzzles remain. The jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And this puzzle, you are interested. The binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 8745. And before I start, I always count and print the digits. 16 printed digits. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between the ones comes no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes no. And a no between the no and a one with 2 empty boxes between. There's always a no and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So that box will be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Then, well, I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. So that box should be an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Then, let me see. Let me see. I think we need to compare. Yeah. Oh no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Overlooked. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. We have here 3 ones. Yeah. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Finish in 3 minutes. Well. We solved again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I'll see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today. The jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.